Guys, welcome back to my channel. So you read the title, and today I'm trying some fake lashes. Now, never in a lifetime did we think I was going to try anything, but I'm always the person to just be like, you know what, I'm gonna try something for once. And so fun fact, I actually did purchase another set of eyelashes prior to the ones that I'm reviewing today, and then I realized after that it requires glue. I thought they were magnetic, and you know already, I just feel like I'm going to glue my eyes shut, and I didn't want to use those. So I got pretty much a free pair of lashes, so I might give that away because I'm not going to use them. I'm going to be really honest with you because I'm not trying to glue my eye together. Now, I saw these in Rite Aid. I've heard good things about Ardell. Now, they have this Ardell Professional Aqua Lashes. So there's no adhesive needed. All you're supposed to do is dip it in water apparently, and it's supposed to magically be placed onto your eye. On your eyelash. Now, I'm not one to wear false lashes just because my eyelashes are pretty long. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have a pretty good length in terms of eyelashes. But you know, Abigail likes to try new things, yeah. So I'm trying this. Another disclaimer, I'm no makeup pro. I do this something simple. I try to do simple stuff because one, I don't like to try not to waste my makeup. I feel like I wasted a lot of my makeup last year, not going anywhere. So it is what it is. But anyway, I digress. So again, this is the Aqua Lashes. It says no adhesive needed. The number that I got is 341. I just picked whatever was there. These might be kind of long, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not trimming anything because I'll probably mess it up. So this is for pure trying as a newbie to false lashes, but I'm about to say, like, this might be for entertainment purposes at this point. I don't even know, but it says water activated lash band, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. So this is my lashes before. Let's see what it looks like after. Let's just I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So it just says 1, 2, and 3. 1, you have that lash, then 2, you put it in water. Now, I believe I read that this is reusable. Not too sure. All you have to do is, like, to reactivate it is to apply it to water. Being that it's a water, I'm gonna say a water supplement. It's a water based lash. Alright, I need to open this box, and it's not open. This is not. Alrighty. Box was glued shut. Manual in here or something. It says easy 3-step application. Align band with natural lash line to check for fit. And then remove lash tabs by trimming each end. I'm not trimming nothing. I'm gonna mess it up. Trim any excess lash. Again, I'm gonna excess lash for fit if necessary. And then activate adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. And then apply it. Secure lash band by pressing onto lash line. Saturate a cotton swab with water and apply along the lash band. Gently pull away lash strips starting from the outer corner. So, the first things first is I'm going to actually take the lashes out of the packaging. So, like I said, I'm totally new to this. So I'm going to lightly lift this. Looks like it's stuck right now. Like, is it going to even stick to my lashes? They're like already stuck to here. Ooh. So they said no adhesive, but it has adhesive on it right now. I feel there's actually like glue on here. So let me just see how it looks. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some warm water, and we're gonna see how this comes out because I don't. It says 10 to 5. I mean 10 to. So I don't know how good or bad. You guys can let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm a newbie at this. I was playing around with it because I wanted to kind of make sure that it sits. Now these are kind of long, so personally if I would ever wear false lashes, I wouldn't wear them often anyway, but these are kind of long in my opinion to wear. I don't like these long ones personally. Every time I see people with these long ones, I don't like them, but I happen to buy them because I was just messing around. So I personally wouldn't get these type of long ones. I would get ones that are a little shorter, that looks a little bit more natural, but the only thing that's bothering me is this part right here. It's like, I don't know, you guys probably can't see it on camera, but I see it, it's bothering me. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I can't do one and then have the other one looking crazy. So I think it's definitely a pro though for people like me who doesn't want to add the glue. They actually do have the adhesive, so I'm going to show you guys a little closer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is some glue adhesive on there already, so all you have to do is kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and dip the other one in water. And try not to dip it this time too deep into the thing, because the first time I got all the eyelashes in it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Maybe the right side I'll do a little bit better. We'll see. Because I'm a righty, so maybe that's why the left side. But let's see. I'm trying to put my eye down so you guys can see, but I also need to see. So, because I'm a glasses wearer, I need to see. So that's why it's kind of close to my face. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm over it. It's not that I'm over it, but I think I accomplished it. So let me know. Like I said, judge me solely on a beginner to any type of lash extension. How do you guys think I did? This is the final look of what I achieved. Now, kudos to all the guys who do this with the glue, not with the attachment, not with the ones that already has adhesive or water. For the most part, I think it worked really well. It's just really, I guess, really aligning it, because I was trying to align it so that it doesn't look so that it looks like it's attached to my lashes, which is supposed to look like it. This one looks like it should be down a little bit, but what are you doing? It doesn't look bad to me, but and let me just preface this by saying I'm not even going outside. This is just solely for this video, so I would not go outside looking like this until I've mastered it. But for my first time, I don't think it came out too bad. It could have been worse. I expected the worst from me. I expected it to be down on the bottom. So this is what I came up with. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you're a beginner. Now I will say this. If you're a beginner to lashes, I do recommend it because, like I said, I didn't have to put the glue on it. The glue was already on it. It was just more so me dipping it into the water to kind of, I guess, activate the glue. And then actually the hardest part really, I feel like, is to make sure that it's placed in the right place so that it can actually look like it's, like, everybody knows it's not your extensions, but you want it to look like it's a part of your part of your eyelash. So I wish I knew how to do is trim my eyelashes. I wasn't even going to try to cut anything because I probably would mess it up, because I definitely would want to trim them a little bit, because this is too long for my liking. I would want it a little shorter than this, but that's it. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, hit the notification button and subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.